Oh, you saved half of it. You saved half of it. And I might have actually got that one on videotape.
See, that's epic right there.
Epic.
My turn. Yay.
No, but I was so close. Let me try again.
And this is how we spend 7th period on the last day of school, playing Jenga with our math teacher.
Wearing a math shirt.
Wearing a math shirt. Yeah. That's Emily, Connor, Mitzi, and Lisa Celio. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we're playing Jenga. They're over there playing apples to apples. Then we got two gangsters. Being anti-gaming and listening to music. So yeah, we're trying to figure out how to pull out the bottom one.
Did you get the other one on tape where I was so good?
I might have. Same video. Move it. Oh, she was closer.
We're not close at all.
Oh, now you're gonna leave us.
Don't leave.
Don't leave us. Don't leave us, Miss Celio. Don't leave us. Now we're gonna rebuild. I'm just gonna sit back here and.
Jen, I'm gonna try again.
Okay, and Emily's gonna try again.
Because I am amazing.
Because she is epic.
I am.
Because she saved half of it.
I didn't say that.
That's gonna make me so dizzy.
No, it's gonna make the people on YouTube dizzy.
You're putting it on YouTube? I'm gonna be famous.
Yeah, you're gonna be famous.
I'm famous.
You're gonna be famous soon. And apparently our math teacher bailed on us. Celio bailed on us. You're already going to be on YouTube. I'll be right back, guys. Woo! Wait, Emily. Emily, I got it. Do it. Oh! Oh, that is beastie! You rock! You rock! Yes! She deserves a sucker or something. Because you bailed on us! Woo! Yeah! High five, those are science test answers. Woo! That is pretty beastie. And only like,
Now let's keep going.
And now we're going to keep moving. So I don't think you want to watch this, so
Bye.
bye.
I am.
And bye-bye.
I'm gonna try to
Hey everyone, say goodbye.
Jen, you won.
Oh yay, I won.
I'm tired.
Say bye, Miss Celio.